She is the best dog in the world,
Aw.
but I think I got the lemon. And you'll feel she has a pretty serious kyphosis here, and
Yeah.
has had that
Ooh, right in
for
there.
a long time,
Yeah.
since she's young. And the bilateral ACL surgery it's not uncommon with labs.
Okay.
That
So she had both knees done.
both these done at very young age.
Yeah, so she had the anterior cruciate ligament on
Yep.
both legs,
Yep.
both knees. Can you show us, Shadow, is it this knee and that knee? Yes? Okay, so that's very cute. Look at you. Can I work with you today, Shadow? What do you think? Is that possible? Whisper into my ear. I just made a new online course called How to Massage Your Own Dog. All right, so we have Shadow here today, and Shadow is 10 years old.
Correct.
Can you review the breed?
Sure, she's an English Labrador.
English Labrador. And this is Steven. And what's interesting is Steven and I went to the same chiropractic school at the same time.
Yeah, we overlap. for
Yeah,
sure.
and I don't know.
I don't know either.
We didn't, there were people with different schedules. I remember when I started the class, there was 500 people, approximately. So
I don't even know, but I was March. I graduated like the quarter before.
I was
think.
June, so
Right.
we were in the exact same trimester, but it was,
We crossed paths.
yeah, I'm sure we might have even been sitting in the same place having a cup of tea or something.
Something like that.
Yeah. All right. So tell us a little bit about what Shadow's been going through.
Okay, so.
Oh wait, before that,
Okay.
how did you come about Shadow?
Oh, okay. I'm a big YouTube watcher, and I'm just watching in general. All of a sudden, one of your videos popped up of you adjusting a pig. I'm like, I gotta see more of this. And then obviously that cascaded into watching
Okay.
videos of the animal crackers. So that was really.
That's a good answer, but that was not my question. So
Oh.
my question is, how did you? And thank you for watching
Yeah.
my videos. I appreciate that. But meaning, how did you meet Shadow? Did you adopt her? Or
Oh,
did
I'm
you
sorry.
Go to a breeder?
Oh, no, no.
Or what's
So-
your origin story?
So we bought Shadow from a very boutique breeder in Morristown, New Jersey. She has maybe 2 litters, 3 litters a year, and prides herself on having very few congenital anomalies with her dogs. She is the best dog in the world,
Aw.
but I think I got the lemon. And you'll feel she has a pretty serious kyphosis here, and
Yeah.
has had that
Ooh, right in
for
there.
a long time,
Yeah.
since she's young. And the bilateral ACL surgery it's not uncommon with labs.
Okay.
That
So she had both knees done.
both these done at very young age.
Yeah, so she had the anterior cruciate ligament on
Yep.
both legs,
Yep.
both knees. Can you show us, Shadow, is it this knee and that knee? Yes? Okay, so that's very cute. Look at you. Can I work with you today, Shadow? What do you think? Is that possible? Whisper into my ear. All right, we're going to work with you today, Shadow. But look, at pretty successful. The knees went well, right?
The knees went well.
Okay.
That wasn't a problem. And so
And then what else is going on?
why are we here?
So kyphosis means a roundness in this area, and you can feel it right there. Yeah.
little bump
Yeah.
over here.
And why do you want her to get checked today?
Okay, so last Monday, so this is whatever, 9-10 days ago, we brought her to daycare. She picked up from daycare, and the woman who picked her up has now been able to take the dog swimming, which is great.
Shadow goes swimming.
Yes, and she rents out a pool, but this time she had gone to Prospect Park in Brooklyn. If you're familiar, they have a Prospect Park beach, doggy beach.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, which is great, swimming is great. Unfortunately, there are like all these rocks, and they're pretty flat rocks in front of where the dogs go in the water. And I am sure, this is what I'm thinking. I am sure she slipped on those several times running in, and then came up very lame. She came into when she was returned. The lady said, she's got a little bit of a limp. It's a little bit more than a little bit of a limp. It was pretty.
And how long ago was the doggy beach day?
9-10 days ago.
Okay.
So she has
So it's pretty. And you said which leg was it?
left. If you look,
Because I saw the left leg's not moving great.
Yeah, it is. the
She's
left.
hesitant with the left leg.
Yeah, and she
Okay.
was toe tapping. It was
worse.
heavy duty when they dropped her off.
Okay, so a couple of things. One, she could have you're a chiropractor, but she could have a subluxation, a misalignment, but she could also have a pulled muscle.
Totally.
So let's bring her back and let's just start to do some stuff.
Shadow, come here.
I usually start at the top because I
have
like
a
to.
piece. Come here.
Oh, look at you with treats. Did you bring me a treat?
I did, but we'll have that later.
All right.
Come here.
Look at that. You're such a
Over
good
here.
dog. Okay. All right, so come to us now, and let's swing her around and keep her on the mat. All right, so come this way.
Lay down.
And I'm going to work with you if that's okay. Is that all right, Shadow?
She might try to pull away,
Okay.
but
So, and you can hold on, maybe hold on to her
Sure.
harness,
stay.
and let's check your range of motion. Your head want to come up. Oh, look at how cute you are. Bring your head down a little bit. Good. Let's just check lateral motion a little bit. So I'm up here at the wings of the Atlas, and they actually feel pretty symmetrical. Coming down the neck. All right, and I'm up here at the neck now, and I'm going to coming down both sides of the cervicals, and just looking for any tension. And actually, her neck is actually pretty nice. That's not the problem for you, is not the neck. Does she ever need to lie on her belly to eat food, or
Oh, no,
does she
no.
have any resistance in getting into positions to eat?
Oh no,
Yeah.
that is not a problem.
Okay.
Yes, that's
So
how
as we
you, that's
come-
how you know she's an animal when you watch her eat.
And here's this humped area. So kyphosis is a roundness. Scoliosis would be a lateral curve, and kyphotic is where it curls up and humps. And on a quadruped, sometimes you really feel a pronounced vertebra, like you get a really lumpy, bumpy spot here.
And it's been that way since she's very young.
Yeah.
So this is, I'm sure, fused to a degree.
Yeah, so we're not going to just crack that. I sometimes do a little oscillation with the tapping instrument on those areas, especially senior dogs. We don't want to just, you don't want to over-adjust something, so you have to be very careful. But I'm also just palpating and just seeing what type of motion we have. So I'm coming through the back here. Now I'm in the, we call it withers, whether it's a dog or a horse. So we're in the withers area, which is T3 through T8, and I'm pushing through. Oh, there's a tough spot. Sorry, baby.
Yes. Lay down.
So I'm going to first massage that a little bit. And right now, let's see where I am. I'm at T7. And so we're just below the shoulder blade. Now, the shoulder blades are more on the sides of the body. Do you massage her a little bit too?
Here and there.
Yeah.
My wife does also
Yeah.
a little bit here and there. But, she basically does exactly what she's doing now when
Yeah.
I massage her, especially in that area.
So I'm right in there. I'm on a really bad trigger point now.
Yeah.
And
Stay.
so I might just do a little adjustment here with my thumb. So I'm slightly right of the transverse process of T7. I have to switch hands because I don't have an angle. Here you go.
There you go.
Got it.
Okay, stay. It's okay,
And I'm also
girl.
going to do the same with an activator too.
That I've done on her occasionally
Yeah.
when I feel a high TP or something like that. Okay.
Okay. I'm going to keep coming down your back now, okay? We already finished T7.
This is why we're here, baby.
And that's where it gets kyphotic right there. So that one I'm actually going to do a little bit.
Sure.
So this taps 8 to 10 times per second. It's a percussive instrument. But this is not her left leg problem. I'm just working my way down.
No, you're doing top to bottom. We like that.
But that's not why she came up lame. She had that bumpy spot, that kyphotic spot since she was a baby, right?
Literally, since she's
Since you
very
were a little baby.
Yeah.
Do you remember that? When you were a little baby? So really cute face. Okay, now we're getting down to lumbar. So they have 7 bones in the neck, 13 thoracics, and then 7 lumbars. Dogs and cats both have the 13 and 7 thoracic and then lumbars. Okay, now I'm down into lumbars. Okay, so I'm going to do a little adjustment here.
Stay.
So the big thing is stabilizing. Because when we're on a chiropractic table, you're automatically stabilized by the table.
Correct.
So I can either put my leg under here like this, which is kind of cool.
Smart.
Good. And one more. Okay. So I use my leg as a stabilization underneath.
I know what you're telling us, but
Okay.
can't back up anymore.
Let's have her walk around for a minute, and then we'll
Sure.
do more.
Go ahead.
She's getting away from me, is what she's getting.
Yes, she is.
I haven't
No,
done
no, no.
anything with the left hip.
We're not done, baby. I hate to break it to you.
It's good to give her a second.
You're gonna have to break out a treat, and that might not even work. It's just smart talk. That's right. Shake it off. That's good.
Good shake is good. Do a little piece of paper.
It's a lot, Julia.
You ready? Come on. This is resistance. Come on. I might need your help.
Yes, it looks like that. It looks that way. I see the treatment room has moved.
Yeah. Wouldn't mind going back there because I might need my activator.
Yeah, no, we'll go back there. Shadow, up. Come here. You want this piece? Up. Come on. Let's go. We're going this way. This is not a discussion. Let's go.
You want me to get the leash for you?
Sure. Well, we might have to lift you. All right. Which would not be the.
All right, so here's the leash.
Come on. Go for a second and we'll leave it. All right.
So probably letting her shake it out and run away was not the best idea. We should have kept her here.
Worse things have happened.
But, she needed time to
Yeah.
step away too.
And she, these are tender points.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, that's true. I'm looking for the most tender points to put my fingers.
Yeah, and I've gotten in there before, and she's had the same reaction. So don't be insulted.
So
Can't see.
I just finished making an online course called How to
Massage?
Massage Your Dog.
I actually saw.
Yeah, so it's teaches you how to go head to toe. Could be something your wife might like because you already know how to work on the body, but it's specifically.
She's more patient actually with my wife. With
Yeah.
me, she thinks I don't know why it is. She just thinks it's doing it, and all of a sudden it's time to play. She's like, gets down now.
So here I am at the sacrum now.
Stay.
My thumbs are on the tuber sacralis, and right in here.
I thought that
And then-
one of her hips was misaligned, but that
So
needs.
it's a little different in alignment. The way my veterinarian chiropractor taught us, it's a little different than what we would call listings with humans.
Right.
So one of the big misalignments, you know how we have like a posterior inferior ilium?
Correct.
One of the things we'll see much more in the quadruped would be an anterior superior ilium. And they call it also goes ventral or towards the belly.
Right.
But so what you do is you grab here under the front of the ilium,
Okay.
and you pull it up and back. And she's low on the left. And you can even see she doesn't even want to put all
Exactly.
her weight
No,
down.
not yet.
So the foot is just dabbing. It's dabbing like
Toe
this.
tapping.
Toe tapping. Yes, that's a good word. So if I adjust this, she probably will yelp.
I know she will.
Because this is a tender spot. Plus, I'm reaching
Thank you for the disclaimer.
I'm reaching
Yes.
into right by the psoas muscle,
Yep.
which is super tender.
Yes, I expected this.
So this one is the tender one, but it's a great adjustment. And I do it on horses too, but in horses we get underneath and push up.
I've seen the videos.
And it really can make a great correction for lameness or coming up lame like she did. She doesn't have, chronic lameness, but she came
Right.
up lame from a
And I think you're right, by the way.
beach excursion.
Yeah, exactly. I think there is some soft tissue pulling or something like that also. Because she's not horribly tender to
Yeah.
stifle or to the,
I might leave that one for just a little bit because it might be the one that we have to leave last.
being very good, Shadow. Yes. Stays.
Now I'm here on the head of the femur. There you go.
Stay.
And I'm reaching under and I'm feeling the iliopsoas muscle. I'm going to bring the leg up into extension.
It's okay, stay. I know. It's going to be quick though.
Ooh, it just
Oh,
cracked.
yeah,
I got it.
absolutely,
So
yeah.
that made a big crack.
That moved.
Nice. There's cracking again. Sorry, baby, but you're going to like this one. That's already good.
You might feel
I might have got most of it just with that last pop. I'm going to just hold this for a second. Hold this stretch. Hold this stretch. Hold.
It's good.
Okay. Now I'm going to do that adjustment. It's going to be the last thing we do, I think. Got it. All right. Let's see how she walks now.
Take off the leash or let him.
Or you can walk with her if you like, whatever you prefer.
Sure. All right.
She's still a little careful with it,
Oh, I mean, this is
but
not
it's going to
gonna.
take a day or two.
Absolutely. She's 80% better
Yeah.
now than she was on Monday. So it's
Yeah.
but if you find a little crepitus in her knees because of the surgeries and the arthritis. But other than that, I was moving around her hips.
Has she
heavily.
ever had a removal patella? Like a patella thing? Because I was feeling, I want to
I
feel
mean,
like,
I not that I know of.
usually the little dogs get it. No, it's fine.
I mean, all the research for the ACL surgeries are done on labs. It's unfortunately endemic to the breed. All right, that's wrong. See?
There it goes. Got it. All right. That's all we're going to do today.
Fair enough.
So, thrilled.
I will get you an egg. Shadow, wait in the waiting room. So why does Dr. Willen's neck bother him? That's the question. It's a little tight this way. Not so much this way. Turn your head to the right. Center. And to the left. Okay, center again. Good. All right, I want you to drop your head into my hand like a ball bearing. Woo! Wow. Might have to do this face down, but let's see. Tender in here?
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry for digging in you, but
No, it's good.
yeah, this is a rough range of motion here, but no.
Ooh.
Yeah, let me have your face down. How's
Okay.
that?
Good.
See, this is what happens when you go to chiropractic school. Everyone's screwing around with your neck for clinic, and then you end up worse than your patients.
Probably that's true. That's when my neck hurt the most was in school.
Are you a perfectionist?
No.
Are you hard on yourself?
Yes.
Can we lower this table at all?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it goes
let's
down a
bring
lot.
this down a little bit. That's good cover, right? Thank you. You're somebody that will do for others before they'll do for themselves?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. And these are the beautiful personality traits that unfortunately sometimes bring on stress-related pain.
Yeah.
And everyone has it.
Feels good.
Giving you a good zest, but... Oh, I see you have the Theragun. What is that again? The
Yeah, that's the
what is it?
Hypervolt.
Hypervolt. Yes, my son got it. He just had surgery. He's he's going into college, looking to be. Do it.
Hypervolt's so good, thank you.
Can we get the headpiece a little down?
Yeah,
Yes.
like this?
That's a little too much. I'll take that. Deep breath in. Out. All right, Dr. Welling.
Yay! Thank you so much.
You're welcome so much.
So you wanted to try an occiput lift?
I would, yes.
Okay.
You'll check me out. You'll see
Yeah.
what's locked up. You know.
Okay. You know what?
My only criticism of these, the Hypervolt, they need to have one setting that's even lighter than their lights.
I agree.
It's rough.
You know what I sometimes do is I sometimes put a towel down
Oh, that's, yeah, you dampen it a bit.
and then I put the Hypervolt through it.
Yeah, that's actually.
You know, like this.
Yeah. No, I definitely, that would mute it to a degree.
So start face up.
Will do.
I definitely feel here on the left.
Oh, yes. Without a doubt. Ooh.
Yeah, so
Oh,
you
yeah.
his upper cervical, the occiput, and C1 are pretty tight on the left. So let's do that, okay? I'm gonna have you come sit up, and you can sit on this little stool again, and face that way towards the
Okay.
window.
Okay.
Always have to consider lighting. So we get the better lighting with the light behind the camera. Let this laterally flex a little to the left. Let your head mold in next to me. More. Fold in a little more. I don't know if we got it. Did you release a little bit?
Tiny bit. It's not. I'm not easy that way.
So lie on your back. We're going to do something else, okay? So you're going to get back on the table.
Oh, I got it.
Okay. And you're going to be face up again.
Yeah, it's hard to get good audibles out of my neck. But you did a good job.
No, I'm going to do it this way.
I moved a bit.
A
Yes.
little bit.
Yes, absolutely.
Let's do one more. Bring it.
It actually moved as you were doing it.
As I was just setting it
Yeah,
up,
no doubt.
scoot
Which
down
is a
towards
rarity.
me.
Yeah.
Can I reach under this way?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Okay. All right, a little there.
Okay. I appreciate this, by the way.
I appreciate you helping me. You said you wanted to do a little stretch with the Y strap, or is that too much for you?
No, I wanted to give it a
Okay.
try. Give it a.
All right.
Yeah.
Drop your head. Drop your head. And we want it to catch right on the back of your,
Right there.
on the edge there, yeah. So first, let's try the stretch a couple of times,
Yep.
okay? So we're gonna just feel the stretch. And then here's another one. Does that feel okay?
Yeah, it feels a little tight, but
Okay. So this time we're gonna stretch and then do a little thrust, okay?
go ahead.
Big breath in and blow it out.
Yeah,
Do you get a little bit?
I got a little movement. You know, I got a little movement even low.
Down towards your lower back?
A little bit, yeah.
Good. All right. So why don't we stop there?
Good job.
Okay, come sit up. And thank you for, you really got my neck great.
Okay, I'll take it.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate it.
All right, so if your wife wants to try my online course, it's called howtomassageyourdog.com.
She'd be totally interested.
That's
She'd
an
be down
easy
with it.
one.
Yes.
And it's 3.5 hours,
Okay,
15 video chapters,
all right.
and it also has 5 full massage sessions with dogs from this big to a Great Dane.
Fair enough. All
So
right.
that's it.
Yeah, it's great meeting you, by the way.
Nice meeting you.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So leave Shadow a comment, and let's see how she does. Maybe you'll let us know in a couple of days
I will.
how she's feeling. Really nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Thank
yeah.
you so much.
So what's for the ACL surgery is it's not uncommon with labs.
Okay.
You know that.
So she had both knees done.
both these done at very young age.
Yeah. So she had the anterior cruciate ligament on
Yep.
both legs, both knees. Can you show us, Shadow? Is it this knee and that knee?